So this printer was never used?
I literally never opened it. I've never. It still has the original packing tape.
Big Rudolph, huh? Nice.
Throw them out. They're brand new.
Yeah, you always need a razor for something.
It's called TP.
Oh. So. Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah, there's an option called Triple Smith.
Yeah.
It's in Ohio.
Yeah.
You go down 51, it's right across the border. Two red lights. You ever go that way?
Like if I was going to like Louisiana and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so it's sort of like East California. Used to be a car dealer, it's a little bit up on the left hand side. You know where the fruit market is?
Should have room for that.
Right next to the car.
That'd be nice if we had room.
It's 165. You make a right here. You go down
All these bags.
and it's on the left hand side. What he does, he takes the stuff down here, and he'll put it out. Like today, you'll have an auction at 2 o'clock. You'll have to together on the computer. You don't have to bring nothing back, or, just to get rid of it. Sickle Smith. Sickle Smith, it's one word.
Okay.
In Columbiana?
No,
Going towards.
it's towards where that fruit stand is on the left hand side.
Yeah.
You make a right there, that's 165. You go
Okay.
down about a mile on the left hand side, you see a sign. If you have to call them up, you go on your computer, get your number, You call them up, you'll tell you, usually Monday, Tuesday, you come bring it down. And then like I said, he'll put it out for Saturday, and then he'll show you the pictures. And you go on his website, and then like I said, he sells everything. A lot of these guys, what they do, like that guy over here now, he sells stuff. Now I don't know if they're too large anymore.
Yeah, that's what he said to me.
He has that antique place too. Yeah. But he'll get rid of everything, you don't have to pick nothing up.
Awesome.
That's great.
Thank you.
Remember that. I got it.
Sorry.
He'll come here and get this.
No, you have to take it to
Okay.
him.
That's
You got
fine.
a truck?
Yeah.
You don't have to do a couple times,
Yeah. That's great.
but just to get rid of one.
Thank you.
Oh.
Because like I said, I just got a check today, or yesterday, I didn't make a lot. You ain't gonna make a ton, but you're gonna make money. It's
Yeah.
better than throwing it away. Or, unless you want to get some goodwill.
See, I hate to go to the name of my outfit, so like he's trying
Yeah,
to
no, that won't fit.
It's give a ton of stuff to them.
Same with the vets, but like goodwill and the vets, they only take certain things anymore. They don't take everything.
Yeah.
So.
I know. Well, that's good to know. Will you remember that?
Sickle Smith.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you have on the car? This one?
The jacket?
Yeah.
I don't know, Ray. What do you want on that?
Okay. What about on the jeans?
Oh, all the.
Yeah.
Actually, I wanted like 20 each on them.
Okay.
They're like really good, like worn through.
Yeah.
Badass.
Where are you guys at?
Here.
That's the same TV we have on our porch.
Where? Right
Out there. You see any? There's trains. What's that? Hmm? Oh, no, testing.
You got a dog.
Aw, good one.
Look at what?
Is this the sun?
Yeah.
That's
I'll be
Earth.
that way in another.
I don't know.
Oh. Don't touch that. Stop it. Because I have to stop them. Which one's stupid? These are cool. Just come on.
Let me scoot around you. Let me go this way.
I'm going this way. I'm going this way.
Okay.
It's the whole set. It's the whole set.
Dad, it's the nut thing.
The what? Didn't we just find one of those somewhere else?
Yeah.
What size are these?
These are cool. Aren't they, Daddy?
They are. Too small.
I mean, you can't ride on hills.
I like this one. Thank you so much. Have a good day. You guys have any questions on anything?
Not yet. I don't think so. Actually, do you have the phone that goes in this one?
No.
Okay.
I don't have the phone, but I thought, well, I didn't know if anybody wanted
Somebody probably will.
the like, I don't have a Samsung, but
Oh,
the
gotcha.
stuff inside.
We have so many chargers, or I would pick them up.
It's really, I should just leave it open because I don't have.
Somebody will probably be interested in those. You like that?
No, the people seem to be interested in the randomest things.
Ah,
Never.
I
one.
know. I agree.
Dad, look. Dad, can we get this?
No,
I want it. I love
no,
it. I love it.
no.
Dad, look at the little baby.
Handle. Look at that.
She said, can we get this, Daddy? Dad,
Yeah.
can we get this little baby?
No, we don't need that.
It's so cute.
It is, but we don't need it.
Well, look at this.
Oh, we had that too. We did. Look at that. Let's look over here again.
Look at that.
Yeah, we don't need that. What? Yeah, we don't need those cups though.
I was gonna text you. I need Oh my god! Crazy. Oh my god, he's home.
I'm just waiting to see if he's gonna do these trains or not. That's a nice bike. Yeah, we had one of those.
For your camp.
We,
Papa-san chair for your camp.
we sold one of those at our yard sale. But these over here. Huh? Yeah, we don't need that.
What track?
It's over there.
Where?
There's all those pillows. I don't think so.
What about darn stuff?
Let me look over here real quick. Sorry. There's a ton of notebooks. Go ask her how much.
Can you come with me?
Go ahead. Here, I'll come over with you. Go ahead.
50 for the whole thing?
Come on.
Come on. Go over and ask.
Dad, I can't keep
Ask.
storing stuff.
You gotta ask. It's,
I can't
you want them?
store stuff.
You want them?
How much for all the notebooks? $1.
Okay.
You can have them all for $1.
You want 'em?
Is that all you want?
You want them?
Here. Take this too. You can paint. It's all
look
for
at that.
$1.
There you go.
It's all yours.
You can paint later.
Yeah. Give you guys girls something to do.
Hold on, just wait a second.
When I get home, can I pay?
We could paint later. Yeah, we'll paint after we.
Here. Here's another paint thing.
Oh, look at
It's all-
this.
Here, all this. Take all this.
Look at that.
Giving stuff away.
Made their day. She loves notebooks, so that's
Oh.
perfect.
Take them.
Wish we had room for dartboard.
Here.
Take that whole set.
Put all your.
I know. Trust me. I wish I had. I'm trying to think where I can put it.
Here, what else? Let's see what else is in here. I don't even know. There's chalk. Here, girls, take all this. Yep.
So everything here 15.
Yep.
I don't need this though.
I really want you to take it though.
That would go for this, wouldn't it?
Yes. Yeah. Come on.
I'll do it. You care if I pull in front of your driveway when I leave? Okay.
Pull either that or pull in the yard, whatever.
Okay, because I'm right around the corner, so that works. I'll
Yeah.
do that.
Sure.
You guys want an airbrush? Oh yeah, I got a whole kit here. Guys can pretend, airbrush some t-shirts.
Give the girls everything I can find. Service on the car.
There's 10. There you go.
Thank you.
No problem.
Here, you want me to help you girls carry it? You got it? Yeah. Oh, you're strong.
So this printer was never used?
I literally never opened it. I've never. It still has the original packing tape.
That's why I thought I noticed
I
that.
couldn't even tell you. It's like a brick. I've
I
never
think
opened
this thing
it.
is heavy.
But it's a
I'll
fax.
do it for $5.
I mean, $5.
Yeah, I'll do it.
I'm telling you,
I'll hold it as a backup for
I
ours.
don't even know. It's been in storage for.
Oh, really?
I never opened it. Never. Do you need ink? I have a ton of ink in
Do
there.
you?
You know what ink you need?
Yeah, I don't think so. No, I really no, because our printer at home, they send us ink automatically. They could
Yeah.
tell when it runs out.
Yeah.
It's so weird, like, and it's so we don't print as much as we do, but
Isn't it weird how everybody knows how they know?
I know
They track?
they know everything.
Yep.
That's the worst part.
It is.
Did you guys get everything?
Girls, you get everything you wanted, right?
Perfect. Thank you.
You got it.
Oh wait, I gotta get the dartboard. That's what I need. I totally forgot I got this dartboard stuff.